in a 2021 GMC Canyon AT4. We have some new LED headlights we'll be replacing. As you can see here, it's kind of like a yellowish look, but these will make it that fancy blue that everyone wants in a new truck, I guess. I don't know, this is too new for me. So we'll get started. Alright, first step, what's probably easiest, is pop off the zip ties that hold the radiator line down. You can save them or you can cut them, doesn't really matter. Just toss that off to the side like that. Then you have these little rivets over here and all over. Yeah. Just take up something plywood, screwdriver, wedge, then come over, pop up just like that. Oop, watch the paint. Next, you just take your T20 Torx, put it in the hole, take it out. This cover should come right off after that. Put that off to the side, don't lose it like I usually lose stuff. Keep hitting my head on the hood, and it should come right out. Come on, there we go. Didn't break yet. Right now, take your 10 mil. You gotta take the horn off. At least that's what I'm gonna do. You might be able to get away with not taking it off, but just break it free. It's super simple, to be honest. There's one bolt that holds the horn on. So you break it free. Should come off by hand. Almost. And just like that. Put the bolt up here. This horn, just put it out of the way. Alright, now since you got the horn out of the way, you just take this little plastic piece and it should pop right up. If you haven't noticed, I'm doing the difficult side first because usually people that watch YouTube have little attention spans. So this should come right out like that. That piece. Easy. Alright, now these are the LED bulbs. You should be wearing gloves for them, but I'm not. I'm an idiot. So they're going in. Alright, now all you gotta do is just turn the cap and it should pop right off like that. To get to the light bulb, just turn it and it should come right out like that. Alright, now to get that out, I think all you do is press down at the bottom with a clip. It should come right out just like that. Alright, well apparently the brand Headlight gives you gloves to put these in, so I recommend putting these on, which I will be doing right now. I didn't even look in the box, to be honest. That big Sasquatch hands. Tiny gloves. Like a surgeon. Alright, now let's just take a light, very carefully plug it into the connection. So go in, I don't want to put this down. Just like that. It should go in an angle. Twist. I have to mess around with it a bit. Oh, yeah, there we go. Turn it, and it should lock in just like that. Now you take the hardware. You might be able to stuff it in somewhere. I can find a way. All right, now you can put the cap back on. Find where it clicks in, turn it. You just reverse the process. All right, since we just put that light bulb in, you can see the difference in comparison, as this has a nice blue that matches the fog compared to the side that we haven't done yet. You see, is that yellow. It doesn't really match the fog, so this is a really good upgrade if you have this truck. All right, now you can see everything's put back together. It wasn't that difficult, so anyone can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Next, we'll be doing the driver's side. Now this one, a lot more simple. Just pop the cap off. It's easy access. You don't have to take anything out. Oh, don't want to lose your rubbers. That off this side. Let's see, you can feel it. Turns one way. Gently pull it out. Take that little clip. Push down. Comes right out just like that. Put it somewhere safely. And grab your other light. Take out the packaging. Plug it in. Maybe I'll try tucking it in first so you don't have the same problem as before. All right, maybe we'll do that afterwards. Now you got it plugged in. Just take it, slide it in, an angle, and twist. Just like that. Take these wires, also tuck them in, find a spot. Gotta be able to get these in. There. Everything should fit right in. Apparently the hardest part, look at this cap back on right now. Why don't you love me? Oh, there we go. Perfect. It's on just like. Alright, you see we finished up this side. It looks beautiful. Looks more modernized on a 2021 truck like this. I don't know why GMC doesn't do it from factory, but anyways, this is a super simple procedure to do. If I can do it, you can do it, anyone can do it. And there you go. That's how you replace the lights. And welcome back. We are doing Nerf bars on a 2021 GMC Canyon AT4. And in my hand I have Tiger Nerf bars. Seem to be pretty good quality. It's very simple to install. If you look on this side over here, we already installed one. Super simple, like I said. Just got the bolts, don't mind that. It's wind taking stuff. And I'm going to be showing you how to do this side, which is the passenger side. So come with me. Like I said, it's super easy to install. You don't need any drilling. This is the hardware that comes with. I already have the little clips in there that bolts go in, and I'm going to be showing you how to install it from here on out. Alright, so basically, like I said, there's no drilling involved or anything like that. You take these little clips, they look like this, and you put them in the factory holes like so. You take one of your brackets, it up. Let's get it started. Alright, now after you got these installed, take this plastic clip, tuck it under like that, bring it down so it sits right on there. Take these little thingies, pop them in like that. Rivets, I think they're called. Oh, let's call them that. Just get a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten them in. Alright, now the covers are installed. Now it's time to actually put in the Nerf bar itself. It's super light, I can pick it up with one hand. Very durable as well. So, got my ratchet in my pocket. Alright, when you go to install the bar, it's super easy and you can do it basically by yourself if you have no one around. All it is just 6 bolts on the bottom, and right now they go in finger tight. You're not fighting with anything. Let's get that on. Grab your 13 mil again, tighten it up. Tighten that one by hand. Alright, now since you've gotten the last bolt of the bar tightened, go back and tighten up all the upper bolts that you just put in to make sure they are all locked in. Alright, and that's it. Took me about 10 minutes for each side. It's not really that difficult to do, but these tiger bars, pretty good quality. They hold up to my weight, and I just think it makes the truck look better. I mean, it's not my truck, this is too fancy for me. I'll come pick this up in about 30 years when it's like a barn find or something like that. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. It was a pretty fun little project to do, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell thingy somewhere around on the old YouTubes. I don't know what that really does, but it does something. And I'm off to get this thing washed now, so I'll catch you on the next video.